Good morning, students. Myself Gunjan, praying to Almighty for your good health. Today we start our journey of literature with second book, that is Movement. Now I will tell you the main points of the story, The Lost Child by Mulkraz Anand. Just listen the points very carefully, as with the help of these points you will able to make out the gist of the story and able to write answer of the questions given in the assignments. Let's begin the main points. This story highlights a child's love for his parents. It was the festival of spring. The child was very happy and excited because he was going to fair with his parents. On the way to the fair, the child was fascinated by the natural beauty. He got attracted to various things, but he didn't ask for these things because he knew that his parents couldn't afford all those things. He wanted to buy toys, flowers, and balloons, burfi, etc. He saw a snake charmer and the roundabout. Seeing the merry-go-round the first time, he expressed his desire, but there was no reply. Suddenly, he noticed his parents were not there. He searched for his parents here and there. He didn't find them. He was lost. He started crying. He ran towards a shrine. There was a big crowd. He was pushed back. A kind hearted man heard him crying. He stopped and lifted the child in his arms. He tried to calm him by offering all these things which he desired, but he was crying continuously for his parents. The man offered him everything, but the child refused to accept them. He sobbed and said he wanted to his mother and father. Thus, we came to know the main points of the story that for a child, the greatest pleasure is the company of his parents. I'm sure you have understood. Now, I'm giving you assignment. You have to answer the questions. First, where was the child going? Who were with them? Third question, why did he start crying? Fourth, who lifted the child in his arms? Fifth, how did the men try to calm the child? If you have any confusion, doubt, or any query, you can put it in the comment box. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, simultaneously maintain social distancing, and stay safe in your homes. Thank you.